Hi everyone, so this is me just showing you the hair that I used. I used Bobbi Boss's French curl. I was originally looking for Free Tresses French curl, but my beauty supply did not carry it. And I used the orange Shine Jam. That one has the best hold for my hair. And then I also used Shake and Go's Organic Deep Bulk. Y'all, that hair on the package, it says that it is 5% human hair. It's the best hair ever. But what I do is I like to start off with a braid and then I continue down with a twist. So I braid for probably like 4 times and then I go down with a twist and then I add some of the Shine and Jam as I go down. And then I twist to the desired length that I want my hair to be at. I tried to match them all up, but yeah. So I end with a knot and not a twist. And what I should have done was put the glue on after I finished a twist, but I went back in after I finished my hair and then I put the nail glue on there. So this is just me showing you again. I'm sorry you guys, I cut it off, or I had the camera too close up on my head, but this is just me showing you it again. And I just start off with the braid and I braid like 3 to 4 ways down and then I continue with a twist. And again, like once I get the twist to where I like it to be, I knot it and then I add glue on the knot, which seals it so perfectly. Also, I went back in after I finished this style and added the human hair, but I would suggest that you add the wavy hair as you go. To me, that lasted a little bit longer and it didn't look as tacky as how it did when I added it. You'll see, like it just didn't look right adding the twist hair afterwards. You probably couldn't tell in this video, but I could definitely see it. Okay, so this is just me adding the deep bulk hair. Y'all, that hair, it says it's only 5% human hair, but I'm telling you, that hair felt like it was 100% human hair. It didn't tangle, it didn't mat, it was the best. So I just went in at the base of my hair and I took a piece of it, pulled it through just like you would do your regular crochet hair, and I knotted it. In the short end of it, I just took my scissors and cut it off. So this right here is just me redoing a twist and actually twisting the hair in. So I take the hair and I leave a short end and I leave a longer end and I intertwine that with the hair, the French curl hair. So I twist it on both ends before I combine them and make a full twist. And I know somebody like, oh, this nasty, but I put the hair in my mouth because I did not have my clips, and I just twisted it down and it worked perfectly. Y'all, this hairstyle, I started at 9 o'clock at night and I finished at 12:30. Never again will I do that, but no, I'm lying. I probably will. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And all the hair deets and everything will be left down below in the description box for y'all to check it out if you're interested. And this is the finished product. I will catch you guys later. Bye.